Hi friend. This is FRANZTERIOUS. And welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I will share you the best alternatives on how can you earn money from YouTube without monetization in Adsense. Do you have a fairly new channel and wonder how can you earn money from YouTube without Adsense? We'll give you the best alternatives. Monetizing YouTube videos is a topic that every YouTuber is interested in. I see questions related to how people make money on YouTube frequently. After all, if you enjoy making videos, why not make an income out of it to sustain yourself while doing what you love? But, how easy it is to make money on YouTube? The first thing that comes to mind for people who are starting out on YouTube is to make money by monetizing their videos. Some mistaken the process to be as easy as uploading videos on YouTube and see the money piling. In reality, there are many misconceptions beginners have about this so-called easy way to make money. I'll give you the most important reasons why making money on YouTube with Adsense can't be your only source of money in 2020. And I'll go over the best alternatives to earn money from YouTube without Adsense. The ugly truth about Adsense is, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watched hours in the last year to join the program. Reaching these numbers doesn't happen overnight. It takes time and work to reach 1,000 subscribers, so you won't be able to use Adsense to make money from the beginning of your channel. You don't get paid for views. Lots of people thinking about starting a YouTube channel are asking how much you get paid for views on YouTube. Or how much money you'll be making if you have 3,000 views on a video. There's no answer to these questions. You get paid from the money advertisers are paying to show their ads on your videos. And they get charged only if your viewer watches the ad for at least 30 seconds. Or the whole ad if the ad is shorter than 30 seconds. If no one watches the ads that pop up on your video, or they are using ad block, you won't be seeing any money. It depends on your niche. Because you get paid only when ads show on your videos and viewers watch them, it means you need ads on your videos. How many ads will be showing up depends on the niche you're in. A business selling phones won't pay for ads to be shown on your videos about animal food because your audience isn't relevant to the business. Hence, if you're in a niche where businesses are not paying for advertisements, you won't have much success with it. For small channels, there's not much money to be made. As a guideline, you can expect to make around $1 for 1,000 views. That's not a lot of money for a new YouTube channel that gets a couple thousand views per video. You can check out this calculator if you want to get estimates on how much money your YouTube channel can make with Adsense. So, what now? Do you really need Adsense to make money on YouTube? Monetizing with Adsense is an easy way to make money on YouTube, but only after your channel is starting to grow in popularity. Until then, there are other ways to make money on YouTube without Adsense, and most YouTubers are using them to make an income from creating videos. Actually, YouTubers are not focusing solely on making money from ads, most of them also have other ways to increase their earnings. I'll share with you the best Adsense alternatives for YouTube. Let's go over them in depth. First, affiliate links. Becoming an affiliate is the easiest way to make money on YouTube without Adsense. Making money through affiliate links means you advertise certain products in your videos and encourage your viewers to buy the product. You'll have a link to the product in the video description, which is a special URL attached to your account. Every time someone makes a purchase through one of your links, you'll receive a commission from that sale. So, what to know about it? Well, it's easy and little time consuming. You just need to place the links to the products you want to promote in the description. This will only take you a couple of minutes to do. Everybody can do it. It doesn't matter that you're a small YouTube channel, you can still implement this money-making technique in your videos from the beginning. You're not limited to the products you're promoting. Even if you place a link to a certain product on your videos. If the person buys something else after clicking on your link, you'll still get a commission for what she brought. This means that you can have the surprise of getting a commission for a $1,000 item, even if you promoted a $20 one. So, how to make it happen? Just choose the niche for the products. If you don't already have a channel running on a certain topic, you can look for niches where there's great demand for products. Next is pick some products. Ask yourself what products would be useful to your audience. Next is pick an affiliate partnership. The most popular affiliate program is Amazon Associates. You can find a wide variety of products to promote in any niche, and it's a globally used platform where people trust to buy from. Talk about the products in your videos. You either start making product reviews, which means you'll be having dedicated videos to promote the products. Or you can just mention the products and why you recommend them in your usual videos. Always disclose that you're using affiliate links. Don't try to hide the fact that you're getting commissions from the sales. Your audience will trust you more if you're transparent with them. Don't advertise products you know nothing about. Only pick out products you're familiar with and you can genuinely recommend. If you promote random products and they turn out to be bad, it'll reflect badly on your channel. Second is YouTube sponsorship. Another way to monetize YouTube without AdSense is through sponsorships. This is the how many YouTubers earn money or lots of cool freebies. Getting sponsored by a brand means that you get paid to promote the said brand in your videos. This is perfect for YouTube channels with a decent following. What to know about it? Well, you need a base of subscribers before you can get YouTube sponsorships. In order for brands to collaborate with you, there needs to be something for them to benefit from. When you don't have any following, or too few subscribers, brands won't be interested in your channel because there are no possible prospects for their products. You can get paid with money or goods. If your YouTube channel is rather small, brands will give you free items in exchange for promotion instead of money. Sponsors will come to you in time. When your channel will start growing, you'll be receiving proposal emails for sponsorships. Businesses are looking to promote their products everywhere their targeted audience is spending time. And if your channel is one of those places, you'll get hit by proposals. So, how to make it happen? Just find businesses that are relevant to your channel. Take some time to research which brands are selling products that your audience have interest in. Make a list of them, also taking into account their popularity. Start small and grow from there. Set some ground rules. Sponsors will try to bend the collaboration in their favor. So you don't get dragged into something you are not comfortable with. It's best to set some rules for yourself that you are not willing to compromise. For example, you might not agree to let sponsors suggest editing your videos. If so, be clear on it. Prepare your pitch. In order to convince brands to pay you for promotion, you have to write a compelling proposal which highlights why they should do it. If you have previous experience with promoting products, you should feature in your pitch the positive results you got. Learn to negotiate. Don't accept an offer from the start. Usually, people start up with a smaller amount of money that they are actually willing to pay. Don't pass on the chance to receive more money. And don't accept sponsorships that are not related. You may find that sometimes businesses come to you with proposals for sponsorships but they are not at all relevant to your channel. If it's not relevant for your audience, don't do it. It may seem like you give up an opportunity of making money off YouTube, but promoting irrelevant products will drive your subscribers away. Third is merch and products. One way to monetize your YouTube channel is through selling merchandise. There are two ways you can go with this. You can either source products, buy them in bulk, and sell them at a higher price. This is Amazon or Shopify strategy. Or, if you produce items, you can take advantage of YouTube and sell them on your channel. This is perfect for YouTubers that manufacture their own products such as jewelry making, artists, merchants. What to know about it? Well, it is time consuming. You'll have to handle the orders, packing, and delivery. This process will take a notable amount of time. If you want to jump into selling items to make money on YouTube, make sure you have enough time on hand to deal with it in a professional way. If you don't honor your orders with professionalism, you won't get far with it. Customer satisfaction is one of the most important aspects of e-commerce. It requires space to store the products. You'll be needing a space to use as a warehouse. You can do this in your own home, but depending on the dimensions of the items, your place may start to feel crowded. You need to be aware of the fees. There will be shipping fees from the manufacturer to you, packing supplies, warehouse supplies, if you chose to store your items in a warehouse. Make sure that all you have to pay for scales up with what you'll be getting for it, and you'll still be left with a profit. If you're making your own products, this is perfect. When you're the creator of the items, all you have to worry about are the materials needed and the packing supplies and the time you have to put into creating the items, of course. And if you already create things, it means that you love doing it. YouTube gives you a chance to do what you love and get paid for it. So, how to make it happen? Choose the items you want to sell. If you're sourcing products, you can use some tips on how to find the best products to sell on Amazon. You can source products from China, where the manufacturing fees are lower, and sell them on another market like US or UK at a higher price. Pick out products that are light, hard to break, and preferably small. Build a YouTube channel around those products. In order to sell items, you don't have to solely make videos talking about them. Contrary, you want to make videos that are relevant to your products, but which don't directly sell them. Say you want to sell jewelry. You can make videos about choosing the right earrings for an occasion, maintaining jewelry, or organizing necklaces. These kinds of videos can be optimized for ranking and will bring traffic to your channel. Moreover, you'll set yourself as an authority figure in the niche who people will trust. Fourth is offer services. Are you a proficient content marketer? Or maybe you can help others take control of their life through consulting sessions? This can be an excellent way on how to make money using YouTube videos to generate leads. This is perfect for YouTubers that can help people in certain fields by offering consulting services. What to know about it? It gives you a wide group of possible prospects. Users on YouTube are from all over the world, which means that you have access to people no matter where you or they are. Compared to when you offer your services locally where you are limited to the businesses or people that live in your area. You'll be setting yourself as an expert in the niche. When you use YouTube videos to demonstrate your knowledge, people start perceiving you as an authority in your niche. This means more people will be eager to benefit from your services. Once you grow your channel large enough, people will ask for your services. If you make videos teaching people how to do certain things, you may find that people will come asking for your services even though you don't advertise them anywhere. That's because they see you know what you're talking about. So, how to make it happen? Start by making videos to build trust. Create videos where you teach skills related to your services. Don't stand back from sharing information. You may feel like you don't want to give up too much information because, if I teach them how to do it, they won't hire me, right? Well, not exactly. There will be people who are there to learn for themselves, which is a good thing because they will engage and help grow your channel. But there will also be possible prospects, who have the money to hire you and don't have time to invest in learning. Yet, before they get to pay you for services, they have to first know you are good at what you're doing. Get video testimonials. Having others vouch for you will raise your trust levels. Just make sure the testimonials are genuine. Paying someone to record a scripted testimonial is not a great idea as your viewers may notice it's not real. And last is license your videos. Licensing the videos you upload protects you from someone stealing your content and using it in a way you don't agree with. But besides this, you can also take advantage of licensing to make money from your YouTube videos. If you create videos that can go viral, media publications will want to use those videos on their website or in commercials. If your content is licensed, others won't be able to use it without your consent, which will make them pay for it. This is perfect for YouTubers with short videos. So, what to know about it? You get better exposure. Some licensing website will also promote your videos on their social channels or the communities they engage in. This will place your videos in front of a bigger audience. It's extremely easy to try. This is maybe the easiest way on how to make money on YouTube videos without AdSense. All you need are some short videos either with humor, cute stuff, animals or with recordings which raise curiosity. It's a chance for passive income. Even if you don't create videos for the sole purpose to license them, you may be having short funny videos, or cute recording of your pets. You can submit the links to those videos on a licensing site in a matter of minutes. Your videos will then be uploaded without any action on your part required. If people are interested in the videos, they'll license from the website and you'll receive the money in your PayPal account. You won't see lots of money. While it's hard to tell how much money you can get by licensing your videos because it depends on how many sales you get. And you also get money from monetization, there's not a huge amount of money. You're able to score more money if you make viral content, but don't expect to get rich. However, it's an easy way to make money. So, how to make it happen? If you want to sell, you have to know what sells. While you can license any video you create and hope that someone will want to buy it. If you really want to make money on YouTube by licensing, you'll want to take a look at what kind of video content media pays for. And license your videos. Head over to a website like Jukin Media and start licensing your videos. All you have to do is register and submit your videos. From there, media publications will come to the website, search for the type of content they want, and if they like your videos, they'll buy them. So, here is the conclusion. After you went through all these ways to make money on YouTube without Google AdSense, I hope you now got a better idea of what opportunities you have. There's no universal best way to make money on YouTube. How profitable an idea may be for your YouTube channel depends on a variety of aspects like what niche you're in, what you are more skilled towards teaching, showing, joking, selling, inspiring, how much time you have on hand, how big your channel is. As a beginner, you first need to grow your channel to a decent following before you start making money on YouTube. Upload quality content on a regular basis, and once you start seeing some traction, implement one of these ways to earn money from YouTube without AdSense. Don't jump into doing all of them at once. Pick one, learn how to properly benefit from it, and grow from there. Hey, thank you for watching. Be sure to hit subscribe and notification bell button, because more incredible content is on the way.